Good morning, K2. How you doing today? I'm doing great, and I hope you are super duper happy. Let me see your big smile. Let me see your big smile. Super. Okay, guess what day it is today? Today is Thursday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. Can you help me read the date? Super. Here we go. Today is Thursday, February 24th, 2022. Okay, super duper duper. So, stop, look, and listen. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And look who we have. We have Victor Vulture. Say hi, Victor Vulture. How's it going today, Victor Vulture? So we have the consonant V, and they are together with, the consonant V is together with the vowels. Okay, here we go. Va, ve, vi, va, va. Va, va, ve, va. You are a great reader. Yes, you are. Here we go. One more time. Are you ready? Va, ve, vi, va, va. Va, va, ve, va. Super duper duper. Bye, Victor Vulture. Okay, so let's look up here at the whiteboard, and it says ABC 123, page 109. Wow, here we go. But Teacher Christy, you forgot to change it. Whoopsie. That was our math and number skills class. Let me change it. Here we go. 108. It's okay if we make a mistake. Try again if we make a mistake. Super. So, it's actually 108. So, ABC 123, 108. There we go. And there's Victor Vulture. And it says, read the blend ladder. You can do it. Color the vulture's clothes. Ooh, look at, he has a vest, and a tie. What color are we going to color the vest and tie? Can you see? Purple, that's right. Super duper. Okay, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. The name of this letter is E. It makes the short sound that we mark with a happy face. Eh, as in elephant. What does the elephant say? E says eh. So, we're going to go up to our Writing with Phonics, page 11. Writing with Phonics. Here we go. And we're going to open up to page 11. And there's the capital E and the lowercase e. And look at, there's an elephant. Do you see it? Let's make sure to write our name nice and neatly at the top of the page. And what color are we going to color this cute little elephant? Blue, that's right. And then we're going to trace the letters and finish each row and color the picture. Okay, look, we have the lowercase e and the capital E. So you can do it. Make sure to follow the arrows. We always start on the red dot, okay? And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.